Hello everyone. I'm Vijaya, and we will be starting about reading about geography from the very beginning. Okay, so geography. When we talk about geography, what comes to our mind? The things that comes to our mind. It can be maps. Okay, like suppose this is a map of India. We can think about maps when we talk about geography. We can think about mountains, we can think about rivers, we can think about soil, climate, weather, etc. etc. Right? And we can also think about the culture of an area. Suppose in India we have the Northeastern culture, we have the South Indian culture, we have specifically Northeast Indian culture, the tribal culture, and lots of such things, right? So culture is also one component. Henceforth, we can say that geography. What is geography? Geography is the study of all the physical features. It is also the study of the human features that are happening on the Earth's surface. Okay. Now, broadly, geography can be classified because I state that we will be doing from the very beginning. Okay, so that's why I'm teaching you from the very beginning, from the very basics. Alright, so we can classify geography into two types: physical and human. Okay, in the physical we will basically be dealing with the mountains, rivers, climate, weather, etc. etc. Okay, whereas in human we will mostly be dealing with the relationship between physical environment and climate. Now let me give you an example. Okay, in the desert areas you will mostly find that people, they wear long clothes, and they, even the women, they wear burqa type thing so that they can cover their face, right? So it is to protect themselves from the dust in deserts. Okay, so basically we can relate the relation between physical and the human world. That is what we study in human geography. Whereas in physical we are mainly concerned with mountains, rivers, climate, weather, etc. So, in human, we study about the relations between physical and human. Now, within this physical geography, also we have many branches. Okay, for example, we have geomorphology, we have oceanography, we have climatology, and we also have biogeography, and there are many other branches. Okay, whereas when we talk about human, we'll have social geography, we'll have agricultural geography, we'll have economic geography, and all many other such branches. Okay, and each of this branch deals with some specific things about the earth's surface. Okay, for example, in geomorphology we'll study about the features over the earth's surface. We will study about plains, mountains, plateaus, how they are formed. Okay, in oceanography we will mainly be studying about like the oceans. Okay, the ocean floor, the continental shelf slope, or the trenches. We will be studying about all those things. And in climatology we are basically studying about the weather elements. Okay, temperature, humidity, pressure, and how does it brings about changes in the weather, how the changes in average weather conditions, it brings about changes in climate. We'll be studying about all those things. And biogeography, suppose we have a, let's say, tropical region. In the tropical region, what type of plants are found, what type of animals are found, the diversity, we'll be studying those. Okay, whereas in human, here, as I said, we will be studying about social. We even have tribal geography. We have lots of such branches. Okay, in suppose agriculture, we'll be studying about the various models related to agriculture. We'll be studying about various kinds of crops. Okay, now we can also link climatology and agriculture. Like, all of these branches are somehow interlinked. Okay, so we'll be looking into that. And this is just an introduction of what we will be studying. Yes, I know that I make videos and then I stop. There are lots of things happening, but from now onwards I will try to, like, continue this series. And this is just the first class, just an introduction of what geography is, just a little bit basics, and what we will be studying, what we can look forward to while studying geography. And that's all for today. Thank you very much.